Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of March the 26th through April the 1st, 2021. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's. We have the same deals, but not always. And sometimes our deals will flip-flop. You'll have them one week and we'll have them the other, or vice versa. So I just put your names in there just to include you to give you some deal ideas. So first off, I wanted to do the free flowers with 150 choice points. My store didn't have them. All they had was the 4-inch ones, and the ones they had looked terrible. So I'm guessing they didn't get their Easter shipment of flowers in yet. So just so you're aware of that, maybe not until next week. We'll just have to wait and see. I think today is the first day you can actually use that. So just be aware of that. Another thing I'm super excited about, I told you guys when I did my app review, I bet that the Magnum is included, even though it wasn't listed. And it is, guys, so it's a great deal. Keep your eyes out for the new Savory magazine. This one I just found. It's for April, so it was at the front of the store. Sometimes they're like 2 months, but this one's only one. I will take a picture of the coupons inside of it and post it on my Instagram. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want. It's mama_made_couponer. The name is in the description box, as well as the breakdown if I didn't say that already. All right, guys, let's jump into the deals. So the Barilla pasta is $1.25. I only purchased this because I had a 50-cent best digital coupon. This will vary per account. So it did come off, making it 75 cents. Now, I have 2 accounts, and the one used to never get best coupons. And this week, they actually showed up. So if you guys don't get best coupons, I don't know what you can do to make yourself get them. But good news, they did show up for me on the other account. This is the 5-point freebie. I did post this on my Instagram. Another way to follow me if you want to get some more information. Sometimes I do post on Instagram and do not post on YouTube because YouTube does take a little bit more time. So these are found in the produce department. When I typed them up yesterday or the day before, it said no products found at your store. But when I checked this morning, it said produce aisle. So anyway, these are free with the 5-point freebie. They're $3.99 a piece, so that's pretty expensive. These are actually going to be for my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. She will absolutely love these. So if you need a little gift idea, that's a suggestion there. Okay, and the Easy Ups. So they are $6.99 on sale. I had a $4 off any Pampers Easy Ups. I'm pretty sure it was a store coupon, because that's really high value, and only one of my accounts got that. So I made that $2.99. Now, when I put it into my cart, it was showing the $4 and the $1.50 were going to come off. But when I did do checkout, they did not stack together. So anyway, I was hoping for the extra $1.50, but it didn't work. Okay, now I purchased these nuts. You could get cheaper ones if you have this coupon. They have some almonds for like $2.79, so you could get these a little bit cheaper, but I wanted to get the chopped macadamia because I've never made homemade white chocolate macadamia cookies, so I'd really like to try that. So $3.29. I had a $2.25 off any Fischers nuts. That was a best coupon, so I paid $1.04 for the macadamia, so I'm okay with that. Okay, so Hillshire Farms is $2.50. No coupons. It's just an okay price if that's something you want. These and that go great in the air fryer if you have one. It's a super easy meal. The Perdue is $2. I had $1.50 off of 3 printable. I get Perdue emails, and you can scroll down to the bottom, and I think it says click here for more savings or something like that, and then you're able to get a direct link to print some coupons. So I paid $4.50 for all 3 packages, or $1.50 a piece. Again, super easy dinner to just make chicken sandwiches. You can put barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese. You could do pizza sauce and mozzarella. It's really versatile. I did find this chicken. I have no idea why it's so expensive at $8.62, but it's almost 3 pounds of chicken for $2.88, and this one is like 2.5 pounds for $2.61. So really good deal on chicken. I was excited to find that. I do need to pack that up right away and get that in the freezer. Okay, so this deal right here, 3 Cool Whips, a Capri Sun, and Breakstone sour cream. Lots of different things to choose from. This is just stuff that I would like to use. Buy 5, save $5 instantly. Capri Sun is $2. The Cool Whip are $2 a piece, and I purchased 3 of them. Then the Breakstones is $1.67. You purchase 5, the $5 instant savings comes off, making it $4.67 or 93 cents a piece. Good enough deal for me. Again, Always do deals that work for you. Do not do deals just because you saw someone else haul them. If it's not stuff you want, it's wasting money or not stuff you're going to use. Okay, last deal here, or not the last deal. The other deal is spend $15, save $5 instantly. The international creamers are $3 a piece. A lot of other products included in this deal. We go through a bottle of creamer a week. I know that is ridiculous, but we love creamer and we love our coffee in the morning. So I stocked this up. Now I do have 2 different International Delight accounts because I love this creamer. It is the best. So they did reset and give us new coupons. You can print each one of those twice. So on my one account, I maxed out all my printable coupons, and the other one, I just printed one. So I was able to get $5 off printable coupons. So I paid $5 or $1 a piece, and this will last us over a month. So we're good on coffee creamer for a while. And last deal I was super excited about, guys. When you click these Magnum bars, when you look on your app, I've been checking all morning since like 5 o'clock when I woke up this morning. I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure they're going to be included, but I don't know. And when I checked the app, I was like, yes. So these are spend $15, save $5 instantly. It does work before your digital coupons come off. Now, just so you know, it is cheaper if you get the regular boxes, not the minis. The regular boxes are $4. The minis are not on sale. They're $4.99, but they're also part of the deal. So just so you are aware of that, it definitely is cheaper, and I'll give you the breakdown later on. But I wanted the minis because of my kids. I'm not going to give them a ginormous ice cream bar that's like 300 calories or whatever. So this is just more suitable for me and my family. And then my husband's been asking for ice cream. Okay, so enough explanation. Let's get down to the breakdown. So 3 of those bars are $4.99. You're like a couple pennies short of reaching the $15 threshold. You do have to go over, or Giant does not take the instant savings off. Or you have to meet, not go over. So I had a 75 cent off of one, $1.50 off of 2, and $1.25 off of 1 load to card coupons. Fetch gave me back 4,500 points, equal to $4.50. Sorry, my son just fell down over here. Okay, so sorry about that. $1.50 for each of them. That's a limit of 5. And then my Breyers ice cream there was $3, and I had a $1 coupon from the Save insert that's coming out on Sunday. I do get mine early. So for me, I paid $3.97 or 99 cents a piece, which for me, I am happy with that price. However, there is a better deal. You could purchase 4 of the regular boxes for $4 a piece. Use all your digital coupons if you have the 75 cents off of 1, $1.50 off 2, $1.25 off of 1. You will get back $6 on Fetch, making it $1.50 for 4 boxes of Magnum bars. Just so you know, once this deal gets out to the coupon community, it may already be out. I have no idea. There's different outlets. People post everywhere. I don't have time to check everyone's posts. So just so you know, if this does get out, people are going to go crazy. Magnum bars will be flying off the shelf. So if you like them, you might want to get to the store in the next few days. All right, guys, so that is it for my haul. Lots of great deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.